Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another useful and amazing episode here at Code Your English, the channel where we learn English while learning about life. I'm so happy that you are here with me today. Thank you for choosing to spend this time with me. I hope this episode brings you both good English practice and a little bit of inspiration for your heart. Today, we are going to talk about something very special and important. Our topic is Be Your Own Best Friend. This idea may sound simple, but it can change the way you see yourself and your life. We all know how to be kind to our friends. We listen to them, we support them, and we tell them that everything will be okay. But sometimes, we forget to do the same for ourselves. We say kind words to others, but use harsh words when we talk to ourselves. We celebrate our friends' successes, but forget to celebrate our own. In this episode, we will explore how to change that. We will learn how to treat ourselves with the same kindness, care, and respect that we give to the people we love. Why is this topic important? Because the relationship you have with yourself is the most important relationship in your life. You are with yourself every single day, from the moment you wake up until you go to bed. If you are kind to yourself, your days will feel lighter, your thoughts will be calmer, and your heart will be happier. But if you are always criticizing or judging yourself, life can feel very heavy. Learning to be your own best friend helps you build inner peace, confidence, and strength. It helps you stand tall even when life gets difficult. In today's episode, you will learn what it really means to be your own best friend. We will talk about why it matters so much, and I will share some simple and practical ways to start doing it. You don't need anything special. Just a few minutes of reflection and a little bit of practice every day. I will also give you short speaking exercises so you can practice your English while building self-love and confidence. This way, you can grow not only as an English speaker, but also as a happier, more peaceful person. So, take a deep breath, relax, and get ready to spend some quality time with yourself and your English. Remember, this is your moment, your time to learn, reflect, and grow. By the end of this episode, I hope you'll feel more connected with yourself and ready to say proudly, I am my own best friend. Now, let's begin our journey together. What does being your own best friend mean? So now, let's take a closer look at what it really means to be your own best friend. This phrase sounds nice, but sometimes it's hard to understand how to actually do it. When we hear, be your own best friend, we might think it means spending time alone or not needing other people. But that's not what it means at all. Being your own best friend doesn't mean you stop caring about others, or that you never need anyone. It means you start giving yourself the same love, support, and kindness that you already give to your friends and family. It's about creating a friendly and caring relationship with yourself, a relationship built on trust, understanding, and respect. Let's think for a moment about how we treat our best friends. When your friend feels sad or tired, what do you usually do? You listen to them. You try to comfort them. You say kind things like, it's okay, you did your best. Or, don't worry, everything will be fine. You might even give them a hug or remind them of all the good things about them. You don't judge them for their mistakes. Instead, you encourage them to keep going. That's what good friends do. They make us feel safe and supported. Now let's be honest, do we treat ourselves in the same way? Many times the answer is no. When we make a mistake, we might say to ourselves, "I'm so stupid," or "I can never do anything right." When we look in the mirror, we might focus only on what we don't like. When we try something new and fail, we might give up too quickly and tell ourselves that we're not good enough. These are not things we would ever say to our best friend, right? Imagine if your friend came to you feeling sad, and you said, "You're a failure." That would hurt them deeply. So why do we talk to ourselves in such a harsh way? Being your own best friend means changing that inner conversation. It means starting to speak to yourself with the same kindness you use with the people you love. Instead of saying, "I'm terrible at this," you could say, "I'm learning." It's okay to make mistakes. Instead of saying, "I look bad today," you could say, "I'm doing my best," and that's enough. These small changes in words can make a big difference in how you feel about yourself. When you practice kind self-talk, your mind starts to relax, your confidence grows, and you begin to see your true worth. Another important part of being your own best friend is learning to support yourself emotionally. Friends are always there to lift us up when we feel down, but sometimes they can't be there all the time. That's when you need to be there for yourself. This means learning how to comfort yourself when things go wrong. You can take a break, breathe deeply, and remind yourself that it's okay to not be perfect. It also means celebrating your own victories, even the small ones. Maybe you finished your homework, cooked a meal, or spoke English for 5 minutes without stopping. Those are great achievements. Be proud of yourself. Tell yourself, "Well done." You deserve it. You can think of being your own best friend as having a kind voice inside you, a voice that cheers you up, encourages you, and believes in you. Sometimes that voice can get quiet when life feels hard, but it never disappears. You just need to listen to it again. You can even imagine that your best friend lives inside your heart, ready to give you kind words when you need them most. So, to sum up, being your own best friend means showing kindness to yourself, talking gently to yourself, forgiving your mistakes, and giving yourself love and care. It's about standing by your side, especially when life feels difficult.